अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि बिना कोडिंग और बिना एक्सपेंसिव टूल्स के सिर्फ एआई यूज करके एक वेबसाइट रैंक हो सकती है एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, उससे एक्चुअली 1 लाख रुपए पर मंथ तक अर्न करना एब्सोल्युटली पॉसिबल है। यू प्रॉब्ली वुडंट बिलीव मी, राइट? वेल, लेट्स डाइव इनटू दिस एक्सप्लेनर। Today, I am showing you exactly that system, step by step, 100% beginner friendly and utilizing mostly free AI tools. आज हम इस पूरे blueprint को decode करेंगे।
Here's a quick look at our earning roadmap. We're covering the one-lock system, traditional versus AI power, the three-step formula, the backlinks game changer, turning traffic to money, and finally, a quick reality check. Dhyan se sunna, because ye step miss mat karna. This is exactly how you build a real asset.
Let's jump right into Section 1, the 1 lakh AI system and demystifying SEO.
Let's clear the air right out of the gate. If you're expecting a highly technical, boring lecture, this isn't it. ये सिर्फ SEO नहीं है, ये एक income system है. We are focusing purely on outcomes, on actual money, not just vanity metrics. समझ रहे हो? Let's look at why 90% of beginners actually quit. When you hear SEO, you immediately think of technical audits and heavy jargon. And traditional agencies, they'll easily charge you 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees just to start. For beginners, ये possible ही नहीं है.
But here is the absolute truth for this new era. अगर आप genuinely AI से earn करना चाहते हो and not just learn a bunch of random tools, stay till the end. Because I am not just preaching theory here. मैं personally ये system test कर चुका हूँ. These strategies are field tested and they absolutely work.
Moving to Section 2, traditional SEO versus AI power, the paradigm shift.
You need to lock this core belief into your mind right now. AI equals speed. The game has completely changed, and those adapting right now are winning big. पहले आपको क्या चाहिए था? You needed expensive writers, SEO experts, dedicated backlink teams, basically a massive corporate setup. Now, a single person armed with the right AI tools can do all of that independently. एक single person AI के साथ ये सब कर सकता है. That is the incredible leverage we have today.
All right, Section 3, the three-step content formula. This is where we build your foundation.
अभी जो मैं बताने वाला हूं ये most लोग मिस करते हैं. Pay very close attention because this is the exact foundation to build that 1 lakh per month asset. Step 1 is choosing the right keyword. Most beginners go for massive vague phrases like make money online. Zero chance there. Too much competition. Instead, you target long tail keywords, exactly like AI SEO for beginners. Finding them is completely free. Simple है. Just use Google's People Also Ask section or give ChatGPT a prompt like give me low competition SEO keywords in my niche. Pick one specific keyword.
Step 2 is your AI content creation. The magic happens when you prompt a free AI tool to write a detailed SEO-optimized blog. But remember this absolutely critical rule. Helpful content rank hota hai, robotic content nahi. Google is incredibly smart now, so don't just blindly copy-paste. Thoda edit karo. Add your own tone. Inject simple examples. And keep the language natural and conversational.
Step 3 is your on-page SEO. People get terrified of the jargon, but look at this basic list. Title, headings, first 100 words, meta description, and internal linking. बेस कीवर्ड को सही जगह यूज करना है, इतना ही. नो नीड टू ओवरथिंक इट. ये स्टेप ही रैंकिंग डिसाइड करता है. डू दिस एंड यूर हेड ऑफ 80% ऑफ पीपल. ऑनेस्टली, पॉज करके ये स्टेप अप्लाई करो ऑन योर नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल.
Let's move to Section 4, Backlinks, the game changer.
This is where your traffic really accelerates. ये जान लिया to game change. Traditional backlinking is a massive headache. But we're taking a much smarter approach. Start building a solid base with free platforms like Medium, Blogger, Quora, and Reddit. यहाँ आप अपना content post करो and simply link back to your website. But you want the real secret? AI automation systems. You submit a URL, provide keywords, AI generates the content, and then automatically distributes it across multiple platforms. That's how you aggressively scale up.
By the way, if you are looking at this and thinking you want to master that kind of automation, अगर आपको step-by-step AI system चाहिए, the link is right there in the description. Go check it out so you don't let technical execution hold you back.
Section 5 now, converting traffic into money, the real payoff.
Remember the core rule here. Traffic equals money. ये 1 lakh per month system है, not a hobby. So let's address the golden question. पैसे कैसे आएंगे? Where does the actual revenue come from once your site has eyeballs?
Here are 4 proven monetization strategies.
First, affiliate marketing. Recommend tools and earn sweet commissions. Second, services. You can offer SEO or AI setup consulting. Third, ads, like a simple Google AdSense setup. And fourth, digital products, like selling your own templates or courses. जैसे ही आपकी वेबसाइट पे ट्रैफिक आता है, you can deploy any of these. Let me ask you right now, आप ये किस niche में try करोगे?
Let's look at the math because numbers do not lie. If you're earning just 100 rupees per visitor through affiliate sales or services, and you get 1,000 highly targeted visitors in a month, boom, that's your 1 lakh total monthly income. Traffic equals money. This is a very realistic outcome if you follow the system properly.
Finally, Section 6, the final reality check, what it actually takes. Before you run off to start building, lock in one last core belief. Consistency equals results. Ye overnight nahi hoga. You need 10 to 20 well-edited articles, regular posting, and those basic backlinks. The great news? Using AI, this is 10x faster than traditional SEO. You don't need the massive team anymore, but you absolutely still need to put in the reps.
Listen to me very carefully right now. ये एक स्किल है जो आपको जॉब से ज़्यादा फ्रीडम दे सकती है. You aren't just learning a chatbot. You are building a life-changing income skill. Future इसी का है, and you're getting in at the perfect time.
Time to take action. If you want to learn AI the practical way, start right here at AISkillAce.com. For business or training inquiries, shoot an email to kanchankumar333@gmail.com. Remember, ये एक skill है जो आपको job से ज़्यादा freedom दे सकती है. और अगर आप serious हो, comment में लिखो AI SEO. Dive in, build your system, and as AI gets exponentially smarter, make sure you are the one controlling the system.